Good afternoon, my name is Aiden Cooney, and this is my screencast on my 50 bird update in the first assignment of the CS50 games class. So I'm going to go through some of my code and then play the game to show you that everything is working correctly. So the first thing we had to do was randomize the gap heights, the distance between the two pipes. So I did that with self.gapHeight equals math.floor, math.random 80 through 20. I found 80 through 20, good randomization of the gaps, especially with math floor, keeping them all whole integers. The decimals, sometimes the gaps are kind of close together still. The second part was to randomize the spawn rate of the pipes, the pipe pairs. So I did that by changing the less than, or rather greater than number for the self timer, again with math.floor, math.random. I used 20 plus 0.5. 0.5 made sure that the pipes weren't spawning directly on top of each other, and I found 20 to be a good randomization of the distances between pipes. Sometimes it's real close, sometimes they're far away from each other. Insofar as the medals go and the rewards, I created 3 classes, a bronze, silver, and gold. Initialized the classes. I used an image from flaticon.com. The author who gets credit is Small Like Art. I didn't make the image. Initialize those classes, and then in the score state you'll see that I used a simple if then and else if in order to decide if it was less than 3 they get bronze, more than 3 or less than 5 they get silver, and gold is anything higher than that. For the pause state, I used the enter params function from the state machine, passed the variables from the play state into the pause state, and then vice versa. In order to make sure that we didn't go right back to the original, in order to make sure that we didn't pull out the parameters when there was nothing in them, I used params not equal to nil, an if statement, and that ensured that when it was a new game, if it was coming from anywhere except the pause state, it would just start with the the initialized class from the play state. I also added this little button state, which just let everybody know what the controls are. Right, so now we're going to play the game. Make sure everything is working correctly. Alright, as you can see, there's the title screen, there's my control screen, press enter to play. I realized after when I started doing the screen, I should have made the play state, the button state go to the countdown rather than straight to play, but that's alright, live and learn, right? There's our bronze, right? We're going to try and get gold next, if not, silver at least. Just so and there's the pause feature. Pause, everything stops. Unpause, everything goes right back to the way it was. Alright, we got 1, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, let's get 6, there's gold. Alright, and then let's just make sure silver works. Alright, all I gotta do is get 3 here, and it should show up. 1, 2, 3, we'll go for 4 just to be sure, and there we go, there's the silver. So that's my 50 bird update. Thank you very much, and looking forward to the next assignment. Did I make it?